Let's see how ABC Reader came to the rescue of Miss Indrani, a busy lawyer when she faced a work crisis while she was on a holiday with her family. After months of planning and postponing, Miss Indrani is finally off for a vacation with her family. No work pressure, no deadlines, only family time. Everyone is so excited. She has just begun to enjoy her vacation when she receives an email from her partner. She needs to work on a rash driving case immediately. The future of the client hangs in the balance. But she does not have any of her legal references. She had obviously not planned to work over holidays. How will she do her research? Suddenly she remembers hearing about ABC Reader app from one of her colleagues. She downloads it from the Apple App Store. Next she goes to ebcwebstore.com and browses for the books that she would be needing for her research. The client has been charged for rash driving, so she looks up for books on negligent conduct and rash driving. Within 15 minutes, she finds the books she would be needing for her research. It was a simple and hassle-free experience for her. She is ready to begin her research now. She goes through the table of contents of Supreme Court on Penal Code and finds section 279 on page 978, which is directly cross-linked to the page facilitating a quick research. She copies the statutory content of page 279 to her notes. She needs to find the difference between rashness and negligence. She finds the definition of rash and negligent in Nidamarti Nagabhushanam case 7 MHC 119 and Impress vs Kitabdi Mandal ILR 4 Calcutta 764. She then refers to Motor Vehicles Act 1998, Bear Act page 158, section 183, clause 3. Then she goes through sections 81 and 279 of Indian Penal Code. Miss Indrani decides that she would take reference of Gurbachan Singh vs State of Himachal Pradesh 1991 Criminal Law Journal 771 and plead that the driver's speed being manageable, it was a pure accident. She then saves all her research in the notes section and renames it as Rash Driving Case Research. After completing her research, she mails her research notes back to her partner and also saves it to her Evernote account for future references. She calls up her partner and tells him that she has mailed him the research material. She is now free to enjoy her vacation. Her firm won the case. Miss Indrani was able to help her firm and also enjoy her vacation without disappointing her family. All thanks to ABC Reader app.